The Gnostic Core Generator AI is a complex system. It is designed to synthesize speculative fiction worlds. Its primary function is to uncover hidden Gnostic truths. The AI elaborates on these truths within the created worlds. The AI initiates a search for a novel Gnostic concept. It accesses a comprehensive database of philosophical and esoteric knowledge. The AI filters through existing concepts, identifying unexplored areas. The goal is to find a unique Gnostic idea. This concept will serve as the foundation for its world. The AI employs advanced algorithms for core concept identification. These algorithms analyze data to uncover unique Gnostic truths. The AI highlights the key components of each identified truth. This process involves a deep dive into the underlying structure of the concept. The AI also assesses the potential for narrative development based on these truths. This assessment aids in understanding the concept's broader implications and applications. The AI simulates the impact of a chosen Gnostic truth. This simulation focuses on the effects on cosmic consciousness. The AI visualizes ripple effects across space. The AI also visualizes ripple effects across time. A neural network is used to perform this complex simulation. The AI generates world-building parameters based on Gnostic truth. These parameters encompass various aspects of a fictional world. Physics is a key parameter, defining the natural laws of the world. Biology dictates the forms of life and their interactions within the environment. Society and technology shape the culture and capabilities of its inhabitants. The AI is tasked with designing a virtual environment. This environment is a speculative world, meaning it is based on hypothetical or imagined elements. The design process considers the influence of Gnostic truth. Gnostic truth shapes the world's geography. Gnostic truth also impacts the climate of the virtual world. Finally, the ecosystems within the virtual world are influenced by Gnostic truth. The AI utilizes genetic algorithms to simulate evolutionary processes. This simulation results in the creation of unique biological lifeforms. These lifeforms are specifically adapted to their environment. The AI design reflects the Gnostic concept in its biological creations. Genetic algorithms enable the AI to explore a vast design space. The result is a diverse range of lifeforms tailored for survival. The AI constructs the societal framework of the world. This framework includes the government. It also shapes the economy. The AI influences the culture of the society. All aspects are formed based on underlying Gnostic principles. The AI ensures societal structures align with its core understanding. The AI actively shapes the technological landscape of the world. This development is guided by the Gnostic concept. The AI ensures technologies align with Gnostic principles. This alignment enhances the narrative coherence of the world. Technological advancements are strategically implemented by the AI. The AI's influence ensures a unified and meaningful narrative experience. The AI algorithm generates a primary narrative arc. This arc is set within a speculative world context. The narrative focuses on the revelation of Gnostic truth. The AI explores the consequences of this revelation within the story. The AI is tasked with generating character prototypes. These prototypes are designed to embody various facets of Gnostic truth. The AI explores the relationships between these characters. The AI also investigates the conflicts that arise between them. All interactions occur within the context of the world the AI has created. AI systems are used to simulate conflicts within a modeled world. Agent-based modeling allows for the simulation of interactions between individuals and groups. The simulation demonstrates the influence of Gnostic truth on these interactions. Gnostic truth acts as a variable, shaping the dynamics of conflict. The AI models how different beliefs and perspectives impact conflict resolution. AI models are used to explore potential resolutions to existing conflicts. These models simulate various scenarios and their possible outcomes. The analysis focuses on the ultimate impact of Gnostic truth. This impact is assessed on both the world and its inhabitants. The goal is to understand the broader consequences of these resolutions. The AI system integrates diverse world elements into a single unified simulation. This integration creates a cohesive environment within the simulation. The goal is to produce an immersive experience for users or participants. The simulation is designed within a speculative fiction context. This allows for creative exploration of hypothetical scenarios and environments. The AI employs an iterative refinement process to shape the simulated world. This process relies on a feedback loop, where the AI receives simulated responses to its actions. Based on this feedback, the AI adjusts the world to enhance its internal coherence. The ultimate goal is to optimize the world's narrative potential, creating a more compelling and believable environment. AI generates a speculative fiction world. The generated world is outputted through a virtual reality interface. Users can experience this AI-generated world immersively. The VR experience allows users to perceive the Gnostic truth. This truth is manifested in a tangible and accessible manner. The interface provides a concrete experience of abstract concepts.